As you know, guys, it's our debate class today, and it's Thursday today. So we are going to debate here. Okay. So I will give you two topics, you all, and you will have to describe about that. You will have to give fact about that. Who will choose a first topic? He will have to describe first. Okay, that why he has chosen this topic. So let's start. I have given you. I'm going to give you two topics: money and time. Okay, you will have to choose these topics and describe. Okay, so who will choose first topic?
According to me, I want to choose time.
Time. And Mr. You?
Yes, so I'm Uttam. So I want to choose the topic that is money.
Money. Okay. Start. Ask.
Time. Because there are a lot of the people, but they are not successful in their life. Why? Because they have money, but except money, they don't have time. So because of time, they are not successful in their life. That's why time is most important than money.
But you may have listened to many people whenever they had a lot of time, but because of money, because of lack of money, they are not getting their success. Like you can take the example of many poor people. They have a lot of time. Even a child, he is in his child age. Even he is not getting his aim because he has not proper money and he has not proper management to do anything. So because of that, their future is getting less. So according to me, they should try to get money so as to they can make their future the best. So what do you think about it?
As you know, miss, you whatever you have said, it is also true. But when it comes to speaking about the time, so most of the people, they have money, even they don't successful in their life. So if you talk about these sentence, these lines, like you can take an example of APJ Abdul Kalam. They don't have money, they didn't have money, but they had time. He has time. So if we talk about APJ Abdul Kalam, so he had more time and he used his time with perfectly. So because of using time, he became a successful person in his life. But when it comes to speaking money, so money is not money can't buy you anything in our life, because everything can be bought with money. But time can't be bought, because and one more thing, that if we talk about money, so there are a lot of the rich man. So if we talk about the rich man, so after rich man, their sons is not getting more knowledge.